let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's a one-man band and he'll toot his flute for you. Come fly with me, let's take off in the blue. Once I get you up there where the air is rarefied, we'll just stop.
All good? Excellent. Well guys, once again, aloha and welcome. So my name is Toshi with T. T-O-S-H-I. Dorothy, if you forget my name, don't worry. Okay, you can always call me Sushi. Toshi, Sushi, close enough. Alright, so she said, we can take off. I am ready. How about you, co-pilot Danny? Let's do it. Here we go, guys, coming up now.
Cruise at 120.
Yeah, right now about 110, you know, but we will go up to about 120 knots, yeah.
Sweet.
Alright, so guys, we are on the 45 minutes flight, okay? 45 minutes. We call it Kohala Coast adventure. And Kohala Coast, I thought it was that way, but my boss, my co-pilot Danny, he like, Toshi, go this way first. He's my boss, I better listen to him today, right? Yeah. Yeah, guys, look at this color. Danny, co-pilot Danny wanted to share this beautiful color with you guys before we head up to the Kohala. I mean, Dorothy, isn't it pretty? This is blue water, white wave, white sand, black and brown lava and trees. Look at this, you know? Look at the black sand beach right over here. That's only 150 years new. This beach is like 150 years old, guys. Pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, well, that beach is almost as old as Danny, you know, but... So where are you guys from?
All over. I'm from Alabama. He lives in Spain. This guy lives in Guam. And she lives in Alabama.
Spain, Guam, and Alabama. Alright! Guys, I cannot wait to share with you guys how amazing this island is. I cannot wait to share my favorite spot in the states of Hawaii today.
Well, we can't wait to hear it.
Excellent. So yeah, guys, Mauna Kea Beach, Hapuna Beach. Now you start seeing some decent sized, good, beautiful whites on the beaches. So guys, there's almost like line ahead of us, brown and green. You see that? Why brown, why green?
Bound to rain.
Aha, yeah, you see low clouds? Clouds brings rain, and rain makes things green, like Oregon, Washington, so green because of the rain. This side is so dry. Alright, so here we go. We will be transitioning from the sunny side, leeward side. Now we're heading to the wet, windward side of the island. Alright, so guys, you guys gonna go see amazing valleys, cliffs, coastline, waterfalls and Kohala Mountain. Still, backside of this really deep valley is open. We call it Honokane Nui Valley. Is wide open. Let me start from this one today. Yeah, this is one of the deepest valley in the states of Hawaii. I'm not gonna tell you how deep it is. I want you to see and feel it. Are you guys ready to see this one? Alright.
Oh, wow, that is deep.
Oh, wow.
See the waterfall, Daniel?
What do you think, guys?
Beautiful.
I don't think words can really describe it properly.
Thank you for that, even photo and videos you guys taking right now, it's not gonna justice what you guys feeling and, seeing it. But yeah, this place is pretty crazy. So guys, 7 of deep valleys. Okay? How those deep valleys get created? What caused it? It's not parrotfish, okay? Not fish poop this time.
The
rivers, right?
Yeah, it is like a Grand Canyon. Erosion, guys. 200 inches of rain behind us, you know? The rain water cut through the mountain, create deep valleys, yes.
There's a house right there.
Yeah, water cuts. Well, guys, this is all I can tell you right now. I will make your smile bigger. You haven't seen much yet. Daniel will go like, what? Is it really possible? That I saw that face, Daniel. Yeah, it is possible. Well, Danny, obviously, Daniel is not happy yet. He said those waterfalls way too small. That's what he said. She said, Chiquita. Piquito. Chiquito. Let's go find something big today, okay? You haven't seen the big waterfalls yet. So now you can see all of those 3 steps. Each step is about 500 feet. Times 3, yeah, 1500 feet, guys.
Is that the tallest one?
Not yet.
Of course not.
Of course not. Yeah, Dorothy, can you see all the way to the bottom pool? Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3 steps.
Look at that grass.
Here we go, guys. 2,400 feet, a half-mile tall waterfalls. This is the 14th tallest waterfall in the world. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys were seeing some waterfalls, valleys, and cliffs, but Is this what you guys expected from this trip? Or is this way more than what you guys expected? Way more, right?
Yeah. It feels like you're not even on Earth anymore. It's like another planet.
I totally agree, guy. I mean, if I have to tell somebody what heaven looks like, you know, probably I'll say, hey, this is it. And I say this is one of the most beautiful place, peaceful place on earth too. Actually, I've been flying for this company 23 years. Yeah, and I get the chance to fly so many people, you know, from all over the world. I mean, all over the world, you know. And we see so many people has been going everywhere in the world, and they go like, hey, Toshi, really, this is the most beautiful place on the planet. It is.
It is beautiful.
It's kind of hard not to get almost choked up going through some of that stuff.
I don't know how many trips I have made here, thousands of times. I still, once, twice a year, I still get goosebumps. I get speechless from this place. I get tears after even 20 years. This place is just so special. This island has 5 volcanoes, okay? Kohala, this volcano is the only old enough volcano on the big island to have those deep valleys. Other volcanoes like Mauna Kea, you saw earlier, right? Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, Kilauea, Hualalai, they don't have those deep valleys yet. Just too young, you know? It took 500,000 years. Time and water means erosion.
May it be an evening star shines down upon you. May it be when darkness falls,
So guys, obviously this side of the island rains way more than the other side, you know, 200 inches here. Why only this side of the island rains?
I'm going to say the trade winds and they can't climb over the mountain.
You got it. The wind direction, you know, east to west, tail to nose, you know. That trade wind pick up moisture from the ocean and build up those clouds. And clouds drop rain, you know. So guys, look at this transition from windward side of the island back to leeward side of the island. Look at this transition, it's so crazy. So guys, you just enjoy beautiful Hawaii, right? Waterfalls, valleys, cliffs, coastline, Jurassic Park. Now you just saw beautiful Hawaii. Now look this ahead of us. I say welcome to New Mexico. Welcome to Texas, Arizona. You know what I mean, right? It's so dry. So guys, it is so crazy here. You can enjoy 10 inches of really dry weather, 10, and you can enjoy 200 inches of the rainforest in 10 miles. Less than 10 miles, guys, 10 inches to 200 inches, only place on the earth. And you guys knew we get snow, right? You knew now we go skiing. But after skiing less than 2 hours, you know, of course we can jump into the beach all the time. So we got a cold and warm. So guys, wet, dry, cold and warm. This island has 11 of 13 climate zone in the world. 11 of 13 climate, which makes this island so unique, you know. Look at the diversity. It's crazy.
Not many places you can go snowboarding and surfing in the same day.
No, not like 2 hours here, you know. So yeah guys, since we took off, here we go, almost 50 minutes coming up, 5-0. Time goes fast. Almost an hour just went by like this, you know. How was your flight today, guys? How was your trip?
Excellent.
Excellent, alright.
Beautiful.
Oh, Pilot Danny, are you ready for some good landing today?
You're going to do a touchdown auto rotation, right?
No, no auto today, okay? I like this noise from the engine. I mean, we practice, you know, so many autos, you know, but...
Do they still do touchdown auto?
Yeah, uh-huh.
I don't want to go in.
Keep flying, right?
I see trees of green, red roses too.
Yeah, that's the island of Maui. See that over there? Haleakala, Maui sticking out.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I babies cry. I watch them grow. They learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself.
Little different than flying helicopters in Vietnam, wasn't it, going?
Oh, yeah.
I guess we made it. I mean, it wasn't too bad for my second day, wasn't it?
Wasn't too bad.
Thank you,
I'm gonna
co-pilot.
sign you off.
All right.